Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the rear of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Open the trunk and remove the carpet. Remove the two pins holding the carpet in place, as well as the two washers. Now, lift the carpet to access the upper holding screws on the shock absorber. They are located on either side of the spare wheel. Using a 10mm socket, unscrew the holding screw on the lower plastic protection. Then, using a fork, remove the plastic rivet on the protection to be able to shift it. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. With a socket wrench, unscrew the lock nut holding the lower part of the shock absorber. Remove the lower part of the shock absorber. It may be necessary to lever it so you can properly remove it. With a socket wrench, an extender and an 80mm socket, unscrew the upper holding screw on the shock absorber. Once taken off, you can take out the shock absorber.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take your new shock absorber. You need to pump it several times on the actuator to get the system going. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. You can use a screwdriver to help to line up and screw it in more easily. Screw the upper holding screw in a little, then slide the lower part into place and finish screwing it in. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Put the plastic protection back in, then the rivet. Screw in the lower plastic protection. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.